Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Tuesday, July 29th. Well, the best thing we can say about the markets yesterday is they came back to positive. Barely positive. We came back after a big sell-off and recovery once again, so positive was the key after the sell-off that we saw on Friday. Even the S&P closed at 1973, up 1.5. Not a big gain, but it did have a low of 1960 and 3/4, so a big comeback. The high of the session yesterday was 1976 to keep an eye on. Dow futures finished up 25, 16,893, and the Nasdaq did a complete U-turn, up 4.5 at 39.54 on the session. Currency is going nowhere. 81.12 right now in the dollar index. Yesterday is where it closed, down 3. That pushed the euro up 2 points at 134.35, with 135 resistance above, 134 support down below. Bonds holding strong. Got up to 138.25, where we've stalled out here many sessions in a row. That was a high yesterday, closed at 138.09. Crude oil lost 42 cents at 101.70. The high was 102.10. The low was 190 cents. So we'll keep an eye on that range and see if that 100 support can hold. And gold going nowhere as well, up 50 cents at 13.06. So after the comeback yesterday, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning? We're up 3 in the E-mini S&P at 1976, 1985 and 3/4, so we're less than 10 points away from the all-time highs in the S&P once again. Dow futures up 35, 16,951, and the Nasdaq's up 6.5 at 39.66.5. Currencies, 81.14 in the dollar, up 2 ticks. We've got the euro at 134.37, up 2 as well. The bond market is up 12 at 138.21. We talked about that 138.25, 138.28 area has been the recent highs. The yields right now on the 30-year Treasury have been pushed down to 3.24% on the 30-year and 2.47 on the highly watched 10-year note. Crude oil drifting lower, down 30 cents at 101.40, and gold's up $5 at 13.08, holding solidly above the $1,300 an ounce level. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're within 10 points of the all-time highs in the E-mini S&P, 1976 up 3 right now, and we're up 35 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Wednesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.